Okay, if you want to know the fingerprints and the brain correlations, is it scientific or not, if you want to know, it can be known with very one simple understanding, that is on the mudra. Hope you heard of the mudra. If not, please Google it. What is mudra? Mental health for the mudra. There are a lot of articles and the lot of documents also available, and lot of videos also available, how mudra is going to work for our brain, how anxiety, depressions can be overcome with this mudras and all. There are a lot of articles. So now the DMIT software also has built on the Mudra Science. Okay, I repeat, why mudra? See, you know what we do in mudra. So I will just tell you this, our ancestors, our Rishi Munis are used to do this dhyana mudra. Okay, when they are doing meditations, I just come here, I will show you, this is called dhyana mudra. What our Rishi Munis used to do, when they sit for the meditation, they used to hold these two fingers and they used to sit for the meditations. Now the things is to be very interesting, why they should hold these two fingers while doing meditations. They are able to work on their brain and they are able to control their thoughts process in the brain system. Why they should hold these two fingers is the questions. Because they know, Rishi Munis, that fingers and brains are correlated. Okay? So that is what they used to sit meditation with this dhyana mudra. What will happen when you hold these two fingers with a dhyana mudra? I will tell you the technical for this. This finger connected to the profrontal. This is the profrontal. Index finger is connected to the frontal. Okay? If you know what is the functions of frontal and profrontal, frontal lobe is all about thinking, what we think rationally, the processing of the thing, what we think is the frontal. All the thinkings happens in the frontal lobe. What is the functions of the profrontal? That is connected to the index thumb finger. That is the functions of the profrontal is the action. In a morning to till evening, most of the time what we do, we think and we try to action on that. If I do this, what is going to happen? I think and we do action on that part. We take some judgmental. From the judgmental, again we think, again we act, again we think. This is what keeps on happening in our brain systems, because frontal and profrontal are very close to each other. Now here, what will happen? The main purpose of doing this meditation to shut down our thoughts. What we Rishi Munis used to do, when they hold this dhyana mudra, there is a connection. It is like a wire connection to the brain. Okay? See, these are the two wires. What will happen? When you close this, it will also shut down the connection between frontal and profrontal. Okay? This is the technical reason. When you hold these two fingers, this will create a pulsation here. See, if you are aged, you cannot, because lot of garbages are there. If you tell your kids to hold for 15, 20 minutes or 30 minutes, there is a pulsation starts here. So by which you can understand that there is a connection between fingers and the brains. This is what the science behind the DMIT software and the reports. DMIT software has built on the Mudra Science. So with the dhyana mudra, we have understood that we can able to reduce our thoughts and actions by holding these two fingers.